Crispy meals with less oil start with the right air fryer. In this video, I'm sharing my top pick for the best air fryer, focusing on cooking performance, ease of use, and the features that make it worth buying. We have included links in the description. Product name: Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL, 6.5 QT, 7 in 1, gray, AF 182 AMZ Max Crisp, broil, air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, 450 F Max, fits 9 pounds wings. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is a large-capacity air fryer designed for American households that want crispy food with less oil and more cooking flexibility. In the US market, it's best known for its 6.5 quart capacity, Max Crisp technology, and 7 cooking functions in one countertop appliance. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. You can air fry wings, fries, and vegetables, but also roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate food. The 450-degree maximum temperature is useful when you want a crispier finish, while the large basket can handle family-sized portions, including up to 9 pounds of wings. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is best for families, busy professionals, and anyone who wants quick weeknight meals without turning on a full-size oven. It's also useful for reheating leftovers when you want a crispier texture instead of the softness you get from a microwave. However, it may not be the best choice for people with very limited counter space or buyers who usually cook small portions. The large basket also means it takes up more storage space than compact air fryers. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL is a practical choice for American buyers who want generous capacity, versatile cooking options, and fast, crispy results for everyday meals. That's my top pick for the best air fryer. Check the link below for the latest price and more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.